Okay, so the Netgear CM500V is the modem. So which router do I have? I have a TP-Link AX1500. Basically, it's a Wi-Fi 6 router. If you want, you could hook Alexa up to it. I don't do that, so... I mean, it looks like a pretty good one overall. Looks like it has everything that we need without going overboard. It says faster connections. It's got 4 gigabit ports on it. 1 WAN port. It'll take the 2 SSIDs from the 2 bands, that's a dual band router, and it'll convert, or kind of merge them into a single SSID, and it'll go ahead and it prioritizes devices based on, you know, what it thinks you're needing. So again, that there will help with gaming. It'll go ahead, gaming and streaming will be prioritized above everything else. So... So it looks like this is just going to have to be set up with an app. Okay. Let's put that on the side. Okay, so it has ways here if you can't get the app on your phone or something, you know, what to do, how to hook it up, because like I said, you have to configure it with an app. Got the quick install guide. Oh, very nice. It's a Wi-Fi info card. I believe that there would be the default that it would give you, and then you could go ahead and you could change up, you could make your SSID whatever you want it to be, change your password. So it's very convenient. Now the fun stuff. It's got the power adapter here. This also has an Ethernet cable, very nice. This is super light. It's also really thin. There we go. So you got to flip it over. It's got this little thing here to kind of... There we go. Pull the antennas out. So I mean, it's pretty nice. You see you have the 4 LAN ports, the WAN, like the incoming over here. Got theirs for just helping to connect it. And the power button, I mean, that's pretty basic. It's not, you know, there's not like 500 different things back here, so... how do you... Oh, you just kind of grab it and turn it. You have to... Not going to break anything. Could have them going at all different kinds of angles or whatever you prefer. I mean, it seems kind of cool. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the TP-Link AX1500 next-gen Wi-Fi 6 router. So next thing to do is go ahead, get the modem working, and then I'll be hooking this up and testing it out.